I will tell you something about the focus. So focus is the force which you can turn into anything that you desire with your thoughts. That means if you direct it into some stupid things, your focus will be wasted on stupid thoughts and imaginations and everything your stupid thoughts are dragging you into. But if you turn it into something creative, he will turn these thoughts into creative actions, and you will start developing a real action required to manifestate your thoughts. But also, in any moment, the focus will be the force that is fueling your thoughts to be manifested in this reality. But be careful, because if your thoughts are illusional or delusional, you will always stuck in your head, in your circles. You won't be able to escape so easy if you don't do the real actions, real physical actions, because focus is able to manifestate spiritual ideas in physical world. So if you are very wise, you know how to use your focus and not get distracted by your surroundings and environment. In any moment, you can have a great potential of your focus capacity. And also, if you put it in some distracted thoughts, you will waste its potential. That is what mostly happens when people take drugs. They get a big potential of the focus. They are not able to direct in anything valuable. So they spend it and waste it on stupid things. And also, if people are like that, their whole life is surrounded with stupid things and options. They're not able to see clear and good potentials around them. And they will waste most of their life energy on stupid things and thoughts. So be careful when you're deciding what things you would like to do, and spend your focus on them. Always eliminate all possible distractions around you and do just the necessary thing that will lead you to your goals. So good luck with your practice and use it wisely. That is the holy thing you are having, and it is available to you all the time.